Hi there everyone, and today we're going to be learning about this sound. Does anybody remember what this sound is? Can anybody tell me? It is the sound. The sound. My turn? Your turn. Is one of our stretchy sounds, so we have to drag it out as long as we can. So, to make the sound, can you stick your tongue out between your two front teeth and go? My turn. Your turn. See if we can do it once more, but just keep it going a wee bit longer. My turn. Your turn. Okay, and well done everybody, and the way that we would say this is the princess in the tower is rescued by the horse, okay, and she says thank you. Can you say thank you? Your turn. Good. My turn. The princess in the tower is rescued by the horse. Your turn. Okay, and now we're going to practice trying to form this sound. Now, as you can see, it's made up of two sounds that we know. So we know this one is down the tower, across the tower. And we know this one as down the horse's head, to his hooves, and over his back. Good. So, what we're going to do is we're going to try practicing the t, t, t sound. Down the tower, across the tower, and the sound. Down the horse's head, to his hooves, and over his back. Good. And that makes the sound. Okay? Now, we're going to talk about some words that begin with and see if you can come up with any yourself at home. So we have think. Can you all show me your best thinking face? Maybe you could take a picture and show me that, because I would really like to see everybody's really deep in thought thinking faces. Stroking your big long white beard. What could the answer be? Another one would be 3, the number 3. Maybe you could give me 3 words with the th sound. One of them could be 3. Another one could be tooth, teeth, or tooth. And you could have thumb. What are we going to do? And then throne. So like royalty sits on a throne. A really big, nice, ornate throne where you would have lots of jewels all the way around it, like the Queen sits on her throne. And I would like to see if maybe you could design your ideal throne, so it's got to be like a chair that is really, really, really fancy. Okay, I wonder if that would be any good. I'd like to see some of those. Okay, and just before we go and do our Jolly Phonics song, I should tell you that the action for this sound is actually just what we've been doing to do the sound, and that is to pretend like you're a naughty clown and stick out your tongue for. Can we all practice that like a naughty clown? Okay, everybody. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and you can watch it back again if there's anything that you missed. And I really do want to see those thinking faces and well-designed thrones and 3 words. That would be really interesting. Okay, thanks guys. Bye.
Did you ever hear a rude clown make this sound and that sound? Did you ever hear a rude clown say the? Did you ever hear a rude sound and that sound? Did you ever